Reports are showing that the mother of missing child, Madalina Cojocari, has left the country.
Yeah, a website in Moldova states that Diana Cojocari made a now deleted post with a picture that appeared to show herself and the child's grandmother on a plane. Diana pled guilty in May to failing to file a report on Madalina's disappearance. Last month, Cornelius police named her as a suspect in Madalina's disappearance. Now, Madalina was last seen just before Thanksgiving of 2022. Chief Legal Analyst Khalif Rhodes joins us now. Khalif, now, there's nothing legally saying that she can't leave the country. So, I mean, does that give her freedom to go wherever she wants?
Free to roam continuously. I mean, you have a number of things. If you're pre-litigation, right? If you are pending in pre-trial release, then typically there are conditions placed on you by the judge. You know, you're not allowed to leave the state. You know, you may have conditions where you got to be in the house and maybe an ankle monitor. There are a number of things where you're waiting to go to trial, right? And then after there's sometimes post-conviction where you're on probation, where you can't leave, or you're actually incarcerated. But when there's no case, when there's not even a charge, typically you're free to go wherever you want. I mean, this woman has already pled guilty and been had her deal for the time served for the failure to notify. But in terms of any other higher charge, there's no indication from the police department that there is another charge. And so while you're waiting, you can go wherever you want. Now, does it complicate the case for the folks that are investigating? It does, because if they find evidence that, yes, she is the person that did some harm to this young lady, or she kidnapped her, or a worst case scenario, this young lady's found dead, then, and if the evidence is pointing to her, now you got to try to extradite this person back to the United States, and she's going towards a country that doesn't have an extradition. So there is problems on top of problems with that. But to your initial question, she's free to move it along as she wants to. I mean, you can't just have folks wait around to be the case of an investigation while you wait to decide if I'm going to actually be charged or not.
Now, I know the appearance of making a bad decision doesn't always affect a case like this, but she had a post that said, hey, I'm going home, I'm returning back overseas, and then the post was deleted. Does that affect anything, or is that just, maybe that's not that big a deal?
Someone in her circle probably told her, listen, your post just made it around the world before you hit enter. I mean, and those are, you know, the what you don't want. You're going first. She landed in a country that did have extradition, but she was moving towards a country that doesn't. And so maybe she recognized, maybe I should land first, get to where I can be safe before I do things like this, where posting my location. And then you got to think about the safety. I mean, now you're trying to get away from the story in the States and get to a place where you can be free from all this, and now you're bringing it right with you. I mean, if you are trying to walk away from all of the drama, the best thing to do is probably not post your exact location of where you're going. But ultimately, what you want is due process in these types of situations. And if a person is not charged, you can't have them sitting and waiting. And so from the criminality standpoint, there is none. But from the best practices, this isn't the best practice if you're trying to move away from a situation where most people in this area think that you had something to do with the loss of your daughter.
Khalif, I know a lot of people, they're looking for closure in this case. With Diana possibly overseas, until she comes back, do you think that kind of puts things kind of even murkier waters in terms of bringing some sort of close to this case?
Clear as mud. I mean, this is about as good as it can be right now. And this is definitely not going to get clearer anytime. I think during the case of the Palmer trial, they learned a little bit more, they as in the police department. But most of the information they could learn, it seems like they could have learned from her. And if the primary suspect from this case is now no longer here, it seems like that issue is cut off. A number of cases in our state go unanswered. And they're not just for homicides where it's cold cases, but you have cases that just go unsolved. And so this would be one of those cases where it seems like right now everything is pointing to we just won't know the answers for a long time, which is unfortunate.
Yeah, it is. And we certainly hope that Madalina is okay. All right. Khalif, thank you very much. It's 9:37. By the way, Queen City News has been following this case since learning that Madalina went missing. Our full coverage of this story. If you want to find out more, just go to our website, Finding Madalina. It's a section on our website. Just go to qcnews.com.